Okay. Let's go live on TikTok. Okay, guys, let's go. Today's Friday, and this will be the last live stream probably on this week. And I just really want to test the AIs. Okay, in the like in the evening session, it was incredibly good. We tested the quantum bot, and I'm really impressed with the result. So I will keep using it right now, the quantum bot, and if something goes wrong, I will switch to the bot inside the app. And one more time, guys, these bots are like free. You can take them inside my Telegram group. So all you have to do is just go to my TikTok profile, find the link there, click on the link, then it will drop you to my Telegram group where you can take these bots, okay, absolutely for free. All right, yeah, this is the bots, and I will start with the quantum bot. Okay, so the expiration time will be, and by the way, this is the results we had like in the evening trading session there, and this is just mind-blowing. All right, so I will go with 5 minutes. Okay, and then while we're waiting, I will switch it to 15 seconds or 30 seconds, and we'll see. So for the indicators, guys, I'm going to use, like for the explanation, let's say I will use the zigzag, alligator, RSI, and MACD. We traded with this strategy today, and 3 we closed in green and 1 in red. So do you have to open another account to activate quantum bot? Yes, because it needs to see your location, because that's why you need the new account. Just text me on Telegram, then I will explain more briefly. It will just give you better better directions, let's say, with the new account. Okay, so for the indicators, as I said, that I explained that we will use the zigzag, alligator, RSI, and MACD. This is one of the default strategy. So the period will be 20 on the RSI, and that's it. The rest, the zigzag, alligator, and MACD stays remaining the same. Okay, nothing need to change there. So yeah, well, I guess let's get into it. I will start one more time with 5 minutes expiration time, because, like, you know, in the evening trading session it was really good. So I will keep going with 5 minutes, and we'll see. Let's go. I hope to get, some nice payouts today. USD, bruh. Like pairs like this, as you can see, like 47%, I'm not going to even open. Okay, everything is less than, let's say, 80 or 79. I'm not going to even open. So I'll keep going. And by the way, I'm using the deep search. All right, so you have 2 options here on this bot. You can go get directions on the daily market, on the stock market. You have also option to get them on the OTC market separately, right? So you can pick any pairs you want to on the on the list, let's say over here, then find them, on the list on the bot, and get the direction on the specific pair. Okay, but we're not going to use it today. I will use a deep search. So let's get back to 5 minutes exploration time. Let's go. Well. What about this? Again, like 39%, bro. And guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can ask me in the comments. LBP USD. Makes sense. 87%. Well, we open against that downward trend here. That's interesting. We'll see. We will see a reversal here or not within the 5 minutes. All right. GBP AUD. Again, this is too low. And guys, if you do you know anyone who's interested in the trading in the currency market, you can send this live stream right now, so they will see how we're using the AI, how the AI is performing there. Well, all right. So what about the next one? Okay, the RSI just crossed the midpoint on the USD COP. Well. That's interesting. 59% on the GBP AUD. That's too low for me. That's really low. So I just wait. Use the IDR. And this one is not available. Okay. Going with the next one. For those who just joined our live stream, we are using the AI bot. It will give us, provides us with the directions on the currency market, and basically all we have to do is just copy paste, and that's it. Wait for the result. All right, what about this? 60%. That's too low. We still have more than 2 minutes left on the pairs. On the very first one. Okay, so now we can switch it to 15 seconds, and while we're waiting, we'll open some positions there. All right, and hope to get some nice payouts. 59% on the GBP GPY. That's still too low for me. LBP USD. So we already open on the LBP USD, so let's just skip this. We actually open in the LBP USD, and right now you can see that the alligator lines are pointing downward, and okay, it's not available. Yeah, they're pointing downward, and there was formation of the local low, but we still have time. I don't really like that the RSI is going toward the midpoint. Let's just see. Again, 44%, bruh. Gotta be kidding me. NZD USD. Let's wait for this pair. We have less than 25 seconds left. I think we're going to close it in green. Three, two, one. Sweet. No, it's this one we're closing green. Beautiful. All right. So let's keep going with a new one. We still have time on the Zayed GPY. Let's see. Well, here we open according to that upward trend, right? As you can see, and there was, I think, maybe we have a chance even to break this previous global high. But let's just wait. And let me try also to get some pairs on 3 minutes. Come on, Euro HUF. What we have? Good. The payout is nice. Okay, let's monitor this one, the Zayed GPY. While we're closing green, and I suppose this one we're closing green as well. The RSI is about to touch the overbought zone. 15 seconds left. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and beautiful. Closed it and green. That's just awesome, guys. So yeah, let's go with it. 3 minutes. One more time. The payout is not that high here on the AUD GPY, but still we can go. Euro CHF. That's interesting. On the Euro CHF, we decided to go against that downward trend on 3 minutes, but this one is a risky one because, well, first of all, we open against that upward trend, and the RSI is already, above the midpoint. So this one is tough. We need a pullback here, but basically within the 3 minutes, then we will close it in green. Is it free? You can, I got the key, so you can take it like on the on my Telegram group. All right, the link you will find in my TikTok profile. Hold on a second. Just quickly answer the message. All right, now we see some downward reactions with the pullback, but that's not that strong, I believe. All right, let's keep going with 3 minutes. And by the way, the Euro HUF we closed in green. Yeah, beautiful. So what about this one? Let's see what's going on here. 51% on the payout. No, I will skip it. Okay, on the 80 GPY, we open according to that upward trend. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we open according to that upward trend. As we see, there was formation of the high previously. Then we see some kind of a pullback. All right. Okay, Euro USD. You see the formation of the low, and the RSI is already crossed, jumped out the oversold zone. It's going up now. So we need that the alligator launch to reverse. Not really sure that will happen, but we'll see. So let's just wait, guys. For we still have a minute left on these pairs. And again, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. You can check these bots and test them on your demo accounts, guys, if you want to. The link you will find on my TikTok profile. It's absolutely free. Just DM me, then I'll provide them. Well. That's interesting. Okay, we see some nice movement on the AUD GPY. Just wait. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, nice, and we're closing it in green. Whoa, this one is a bit tense. Look at this. Are you kidding me? At the very last seconds, he decided to go down. Whoa. No way. That was so close. At the very last seconds, the price went down. And we close it in red. That's just crazy. Okay. Let me now try the... I will try the... probably... the 15 seconds and 1 minute. Okay. Switching it to 1 minute here. Boom, done. And let's go with 1 minute. And let's see now. 64%, guys. That's too low. I'm not usually using the 1 minute on the live streams. Mostly prefer to use the 5 minutes, 3 minutes and 15 seconds, but still we can try it out. Come on. 85%, that's good. Well, well. Well, actually going short here would make sense. There was some flat dynamics like in the previously on the chart, but as we can see that there was formation of the local high, and we didn't see after that formation of the low point, and the RSI it's already crossed, the midpoint, and even the alligator lines are, look at them, yeah, they're reversing and going down. Okay, this one was good. No way. Come on. Still 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3. No! No, 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 no. Bruh. Oh, that's why I hate the 1 minutes. It is so wet. I mean, look at the candle. If I open the pay, like the trade, like even one or 2 seconds later, that was, I would close it in green. That's just insane. Alright, let me try one more time. That was extremely close. Close. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 80 CNY. 92. Well, no way. Going long here. This is extremely risky. Going long here. Because the same logic, by the way. So there was formation of the local high previously, and right now even the RSI is going toward the midpoint. I don't know. So the 1 minute time frame, it really depends on the market conditions. You have to understand that. What? Are you for real? Okay, got it. We close this one in green, but alright, so there was downward movement before with the formation of the low. Now we'll see reversing, so we might, okay, there probably will be continuation of that upward trend and formation of the high. Even though we close this one in green, let's get one more on 1 minute. Here's the PHP. The payout is good. I really like this. Okay, so we'll look at this. Again, this one is a bit dangerous because crazy downward trend. With the formation of the global low, the RSI is already, crossed the oversold zone, and we might see reversal at any time right now. And we're actually seeing it right now, so. But of course, the best decision was to open at the very formation of this candle, like somewhere at the beginning, but yeah, we will see probably a pullback here. Come on, one downward impulse, that's all we need. It's going to be in red, probably, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So far, the 1 minute is not that effective. So I will go one more time or 1 minute expiration time, so you guys see how it's performing. Euro and Turkish liras, the payout is good. Bruh. So this one is tense because we already missed the small pullback here. We open against that downward trend. And not really sure now that the pullback will continue. Yeah, we'll see some downward movement now. Or and look at this. 3, 2, 1. Yes, beautiful. Close it in green. That's nice. So far, 2 we close in red and 2 in green. I think. Still, where is it? Yeah. This 2 we close in green, 2 in red. That was on 5 minutes. Well, let it be the last one on 1 minute. Then I'm going to switch it to some other time frame. USD and Russian ruble. This pair is really unstable, by the way. And of course, so the alligator lines are kind of trying to reverse. RSI is going upward, but we open according to that downward trend. Hi, hey there. Interesting. Yeah, I knew it. At the very last seconds, of course you will go up. Come on, one downward impulse. Come on. Just freaking me out. All right. So let's go now again. I tried the 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, some pace will be on 30 seconds. Alright, really interesting what's going on here. So on the USD and Russian ruble, we close it in red. What about this pair?